Sleep. Sometimes blur it in your Jeep so your peeps can stare at the rhymes. Real rhymes, not your everyday hologram. Even when ribs is touching, never swallow the ham.
So what's happening? Hope you're good. So this week we're going to talk to you about the Schosche 2.0 kit. Now, I was gassed when I got this. I had my eye on this for a while ago. This is an old product, but I feel like even in 2026, this is still worth talking about, at least for me. It's a laptop holder. It will hold your iPad. It's designed for Mac. I do have a couple of Windows laptops that I've shoved into this. And it holds them, but it isn't perfect. But it will still do the job. So if your laptop is thin enough, then you'll be all right. The other thing I like about this is that it's a charging station, right? So I've got a few of these dotted around the house. I'll get some B-roll in. So I've got one on the bedside table, which is actually this one. So in the evening, when you want to settle down and you've finished looking online for the day or whatever, just pop your laptop or your iPad in here. And then at the front of it, you've got these USB-C slots. So it comes with these small cables. It's like quite short cables, so there's not too much slack dangling all over the place. And yeah, you just literally plug it in the front, then you plug in your device that you've got plugged into it, and it keeps your stuff charging. So it's nice and accessible. On the back of the device, it's literally just the power cord. This particular one is European, so it's got the European plug. This is a really cool product. It's modular, so there's 3 different versions of this. You've got this is called the baselynx 2.0 vert, which is just these prongs here for your tablet and laptop charging, right? You've got the baselynx 2.0 Pro, which includes the iPhone MagSafe mount and the AirPods charging, plus a watch charging station as well. I'll link it in my bio so that you can take a look for yourself. It comes in a black color, and then there's different ways that you can modify this to include laptop, phone, watch, AirPods, or just laptop. So I've also got myself the Schosche baselynx 2.0 kit, which includes the iPhone mount that I've got set up in the office. Again, a little bit of a B-roll here, so it shows you where I've got the laptops in a vertical position on the table. Again, it just keeps them clean and out of the way. So with that said, the price of this, it was hefty. When it first came out, I remember seeing it close to like £200. And you could get it as part of the kit with both laptop and iPhone charging options. And I've tried to find it online to purchase today, and it's still holding its price at around £194 on Amazon at the moment. So again, link in the bio. And it's a US store, so I think you can get it online from Schosche directly. But yeah, it's not cheap. They do have a couple of sales on. And if you manage to find it at second hand, then yeah, I still think this is a steal. That out the way, a couple of other use cases that I have. I've also got it downstairs in our living room, in the bookshelf. Again, just as somewhere to put your laptop when you're not using it, keep it charged, or your iPad. I even use it to charge portable wireless chargers as well, that charge via USB-C cable. So it's very versatile. I'll quickly show you how this is modular. So it comes apart. It's a plastic base, and all you do is literally just pull it apart, he says. But it's like held together with magnets as well. And it isn't easy to pull apart, to be fair, as you see. So it just literally comes apart like that. And then you've got power one side and like a little magnet on the other side where it clips into there. And then you can extend it and put another one on there, or another module on there, I should say. And then on your other side, same again. It's a very strong magnet. I'm not gonna lie, this is taking some effort, fam. I'm not gonna bother. But that's held together on there nicely. The underside has got a rubber pad, so it doesn't move. It stays nice and still on whatever surface you put it on. The design quality is really, really clean as well. It's got like your branding and etching on there. So yeah, man, this was one of my products that I wanted pretty soon into trying to make the tech space clean and having somewhere to charge intentional like charging stations or bases that you can go and put your stuff down and you know what I mean, you just forget about it. So 3 things I love about it. The first part being it's got USB-C on the front. So again, just plug whatever cable you want in and you're nice. Second part is the fact that it's modular, so you can chop and change between putting the iPhone charger on there or whatever else. And then the third thing is the fact that it looks quite nice. It's pretty aesthetic as well. So a lot of these pieces of tech that we can get don't always look as good as they function. So it might be a bit of an eyesore. But I quite like the design of it. So yeah. Anyway, that's me. Love, bless, peace.